Science fiction fantasy. Author's purpose: to tell an imaginative story. Characteristics. Settings that feature imaginary elements, other worlds, advanced technology, magic that seems real, characters that may be human or non-human. A narrator, or voice that tells the story. Conflicts, or problems, that are often caused by the setting. A theme, or insight about life. Structure, exposition, or explanation, as well as dialogue and description convey the story's setting and plot. Radio play adaptation. Author's purpose: to retell an original work of fiction as an audio drama. Characteristics. Often part of a radio show or podcast. Settings, characters, conflicts, events, language, theme, and plot based on those of an original story. Announcer or narrator. Background music. Sound effects. Structure, dialogue, or characters' spoken words, convey the story's setting and plot.